Cat was waiting.
Gonna get you now, Frodo. Go get his ass.
What is he doing?
Get him. Oh, he like came up behind him.
I know. He's waiting.
Get him.
Come on, y'all. Come on. Come on. Ay, ay, ay.
Get him.
He's gonna say,
Oh,
get the red
boxing you. Get him.
What is he doing? It's just looking. What are you gonna do? Hey, let's settle down now. Let's settle. Let's settle.